So maganda araw kabole, sa video na to kabole, free agency naman tayo kabole. Actually, madami po kasi mga regarding po sa free agency kabole na mga mga news kabole. And then of course, we will talk about things also around po the PBA. So kung hindi man nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. First things first, si Kelly Williams kabola, malaki daw yung chance sa kabola na hindi siya makakalaro dito po sa magaganap na PBA Finals. Is that a big deal? Yes, that is a big deal. Kelly Williams kabola, in my eyes, is the best kabola na panapat pa rin ng TNT dito kay Junmar Fajardo kabola. Kelly Williams, even at his age, I think he's still a very special defender kabola. And I do believe still, overall, he's still the best sana kabola na dedepensa kay Fajardo. And we know kabola, nahirap ang TNT dyan kung di sila makakahanap ng pwedeng panapat ng pangmatagalan dito kay Fajardo kabola. Now, meron pong kumbaga rumor si Boss Nova, diba? Reasons why Family Brand is not so keen on pursuing a PBA team. They are no more in building a Dusit Hotel in Zamboanga City. So, business reason kabola. Of course, at the very least, diba, masaya tayo na yung reason is pang business kabola. Hindi naman sa nawalan sila ng gala sa PBA or may ginawa yung PBA kabola para hindi sila makasali. At the very least, this is a business reason. So yung chance po kabola na sila po ay sasali, nandun pa rin. And of course, ina-explain ni Snow Badwa dito sa post na kabola na they have a lot of hurdles regarding this hotel kabola, which could resume them kabola into pursuing a PBA team. Of course, we believe Family Brand, knowing the name of the brand kabola, knowing their history in the amateur league, they can be a serious team kabola in the PBA. Maaari gusto natin sila makita din dito po kabola sa PBA. Now, alam nyo ba si Greg Slaughter? So it's now official kabola. Greg Slaughter kabola signed with Brazilian Star Horse. So maglalaro na po siya sa MPBL. He will try to help this team kabola to reach another level. By the way, kabola, no? Ito pong Basilan, kabola, first yung backer nito na company, sila nga po yung hindi nakipagkasundo kay Terra Firma, kabola. Pero may rumor dati si Snow Badwa, kabola, na the chances, kabola, na ito nga pong sila, kabola, may kagustuhan pa rin sumali sa PBA, kabola, itong Star Horse, nandun pa rin naman. So, we hope, kabola, baka lang naman, ngayon bumaba na yung presyo ng Terra Firma, baka pwede na, kabola, diba? Baka pwede na po silang makasali. And of course, it will be a good deal for them, kabola, if they find a way also to get ito nga pong si Greg Slaughter. Imagine Greg Slaughter and Christian Stanhire in a single team. That will be huge, kabola, diba? The size of that duo, kabola, will be huge. Now, may ni-reveal si Adrian Nocom, no, kabola. Kakapirma lang niya ng 3 years contract sa Rain o Shine, kabola. And of course, we respect Rain o Shine for them to be capable of doing this, kabola. That's a huge respect to them. They built this, kabola. They deserve this, kabola, trust from young potential superstar like Nocom, kabola. Sabi niya, kabola, mag-sign na siya sana sa KBL or i-entertain na lang sana niya. Kaso nga lang, naghahanap na sila ng ibang klase ng player, which is yung forward size, kabola, which is si Arvin Tolentino nga, kabola. Parang ganung klaseng laruan, kabola. Of course, hindi rin naman nakakagtaka na ang hinahanap naman ng KBL team is mga type po ng forward 3 and D type na Tolentino, Calvin Octana, kabola. Kasi nga po yung size pa rin, kumbaga, mas mahirap hanapin yung ganun pa rin doon po sa mga international leagues, kabola. Of course, madami din silang gwardiya doon. And of course, kabola, yun din yung madami sa atin, yung mga gwardiya. Now, kabola, another player, kabola, that received interest from international league is si Sub Lucero. And of course, sasakit ulo dito ng Magnolia Chats, kabola, kasi I think Lucero has proven that he's their best player, kabola, in the last 2 tournaments, kabola, now, di ba? So, they cannot really let him go. Pero yun nga, Taiwan daw yung nag-offer. Pero nabasa ko naman yung offer, around $12,000 per month. I think kayang-kaya naman ng mga PBA teams na sabayan to. And I do believe that Lucero is deserving of that contract. Kababals pa rin mo. Madedepensa ang kanya Magnolia itong si Lucero. Comment na po sa baba.